coffee. Just walked the whole main street of Denman in like 30 seconds. Driving in, I drove past this cactus, which I'm gonna go take a photo of. How do I get them? Oh no. I had a piccolo, an almond piccolo. I really hope it doesn't go through me and makes me need to poo, because ain't no stopping for like another hour or so. Just stopped off at Merriwa, and I saw all these cute little trees, so I thought I'd pull over and have a quick look. Pluto's not a planet anymore. My soul is happy. Just pulled over because look at this view. So beautiful. I'm stopped in Coola. I'm just about to head off. This is my last stop before I get to Coona. It's really cold. That's Jamie in front of me. We're in the country now, boy, on this dirt road. We're here together in the country. I always speak in that really high-pitched voice when I'm on camera. I don't know why. When people begin to meditate, they often say that their thoughts are running riot and have become wilder than ever before. But I reassure them and say that this is a good sign. Far from meaning that your thoughts have to become wilder, it shows that you have become quieter and you are finally aware of just how noisy your thoughts have always been. Don't be disheartened or give up. Whatever arises, just keep being present and returning to your breath, even in the midst of all the confusion. This tree, so pretty. Profound and tranquil, free from complexity, uncompounded luminous clarity. Beyond the mind of conceptual ideas, this is the depth of the mind of the victorious ones. In this, there is not a thing to be removed, nor is there anything that needs to be added. It is merely the immaculate looking naturally at itself. These are both excerpts of the Tibetan book of Living and Dying. An effortless compassion can arise from all beings who have not realized their true nature. So limitless that if tears could express it, you would cry without end. Not only compassion, but tremendous skillful means can be born when you realize the nature of mind. Also, you are naturally liberated from all suffering and fear, such as the fear of birth, death, and the intermediate state. Then if you were to speak of the joy and the bliss that arise from this realization, it is said by the Buddhas that if you were to gather all the glory, enjoyment, pleasure, and happiness in the world and put it all together, it will not approach one tiny fraction of the bliss that you experience upon realizing the nature of mind. Setting up for our day of craft. Very exciting. Have you seen the documentary of him, like of where all his paintings are?
I do wonder what, like, how much they sell of things.
I see leaves we collected this morning.
Yeah. Using the wine bottle from the wine we drank the other night.
Yeah. Ready? Choose the camera.
And remember at the beginning it was on your mind 24/7, and now it's not so much.
No, Davey, get on the bridge. Get on the bridge. Scott has Oh my god, Jamie, the moon. Oh! Oh my god! No way!
Yo, are you seeing the sky? Is that? Shall we do a loop?
Fire and the moon in the background. I want to share my oracle card reading with you because I had a lot of divine signs sent to me from the universe on this trip. I did a 3-card spread asking what signs need to be sent to me in this present time. I did a past, present and future card. For my past, I got the Hare, which represents strength. It said that all I have is already within me. I'm strong in the mind, body and soul, and I just need reminding of that. It helps make space for what you want and need to help make a decision quickly. For present, I got the Raven, which represented a wise woman and change, magic and rebirth, facing the dark shadows inside. It's the end of a cycle, and the Raven helps guide you through your different cycles. My future card was an Elephant, which represents grounding. Don't let anyone knock you from your path and just trust in yourself and your vision. Breathe into your heart and tell yourself, I've got this. I've always had trouble opening my heart truly to myself and then extending that to other people. And I've needed to do heart meditation. So to have a card to say to breathe into my heart is just another reminder to show love to myself and trust in the process of life. Jamie Lee planting her homegrown pumpkins.
My little babies. Well, I chopped up a pumpkin and I just took the seeds out of it and dried them and planted them.
Amazing. And we got our helper here.
She's very good. She's great. And because I'm going to sell these at my market store. Because if I do $5 a pop.
So we're going to be going on that plane. We were just in the air for like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
I flew a plane.
She
I turned
did.
it around.
My best friend flew me into the sunset.
Pilot is now on my resume. Look at this setup.
Hey.
Thanks, girl.
Takes us back to our teenage sleepover days.
Sure does. I drove back today. I don't know if you can see my breath, but it's really cold. I can't feel my hands. Oh my god, there's a human girl under there. About to set off. The sun's really bright.
I love you.
I love you too. Okay, quick. What are some things we did? Cut and dye your hair.
Yes, we cut dye my hair. We went to the Pilliga Pottery.
Yes.
I loved.
Where are the
You got a mug.
caves?
Have you got your mug?
I got my mug.
Yes, good. Okay. Sandstone Caves.
Sandstone Caves. Climbed and explored through there.
We camped. We found our own wood. and
Yes, we
did
sourced
the
our own
fire.
firewood and had a fire all afternoon, all night, and into the morning. It was still smoking.
Yes. We did also have electric blankets, but it
We're
was
gonna bypass
really
that.
hard. It was
It
like
was- We're really
We
buffing
really
it out
buffed
there.
we made s'mores.
We made
She made a
s'mores.
s'more of herself.
Yeah, I did. I dropped it. It went, and I crossed my legs, and it was on both sides of my pants. It was in my jacket. It was in my scarf. Where wasn't it? It was in all the places. But then we did the hike, and we climbed the really big rocky.
Gold Circuit in the
Gold Circuit.
Warrumbungle National Park.
We flew over them as well. We flew into the sun.
We
I
couldn't
flew
get to
the
Siding
plane.
Springs because there was a boom gate down, but that didn't stop us. We got in
We
the
flew
plane and saw
around.
it from above.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like that's already one better.
We had a good time.
Such a good time. I love you so much.
I love you too. Next time.
Till next time.
To
Till
be
next time.
continued.
Mwah, ready? Mwah.
Bye.